Want to know how to add services or videos in Guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Guru.com website. So we have also created similar videos regarding Guru.com, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've opened up Guru.com, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. You can just simply select that and then select edit profile. It should be on the second right here. So once you have selected edit profile, here should be under edit profile. So now you can just simply scroll down a little bit and here you should be seeing your services. So you can just simply select add services right here. So services basically means what kind of services are you offering to the hirers, what kind of job that you can do or what kind of design or anything that you can make. So you can just simply add a service title and then your description right here and your skills as well. So you can also add a service cost, which is your pay that you want, your thumbnail, and then select publish right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily add a service. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.